This is a 2002 Whirlpool 5000 BTU Air Conditioner. This one has the nice metal frame side panels just like the older ones did. Take a look at the information. There's the model and serial. And this one is rated at 4.96 amps and 515 watts. Manufactured April of 2002. One of my favorite things about these units is this handle right here. It makes it so much easier and safer to install and uninstall it. So you don't get your hands pinched in there when you're trying to put the window down, and you can hold it before you pull the window up, so it's nice. This has a Rechi Precision compressor. And there is the condenser coil. It's a little rough. I had to straighten out a lot of fins, and it looks like this is going to have to be fixed again. I don't know how that happened, but I'll have to do that. I remember seeing these things everywhere when I was a little kid, so these are pretty important to me. The evaporator is nice and clean, filter's clean. This has an ECM fan motor, which stands for Electrical Core and Motor Manufacturing Company. You can see the logo right there. Electrical Core and Motor Manufacturing Company. It's 3-speed, has a fan only setting, low cool, high cool, and turbo cool. So let's see, let's just go to fan only for now. Pretty sure it's on high speed when you have it on fan only. We're getting good airflow through the condenser coil. Lots of airflow out there. I'm going to turn the thermostat down so we can test out the amp draw and other fan speeds. There's low. 0.74 amps, 89 watts. Medium. 0.82 amps, 96 watts. And high. 0.87 amps, 100 watts. Alright. This compressor runs real smooth, it sounds good. I am going to be taking this apart again, probably to clean it out a little better, because I didn't do much with it when I got it. It looks like the bottom could be cleaned out a little bit. And here's a view on the other side. It's not too bad. Okay, time to start the compressor up. Currently at 2.77 amps and 288 watts. Got the heater going into it now. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. 0.6 amps. 400 watts. And it's down to 52 degrees. Just hit 4 amps. It's still going up a little bit. 453 watts. I think this is about where it's going to stay now on low speed. go up to medium. And the amperage is going down. Let's go up to high speed now. About 450 watts and 4.04 amperage. That's where it's going to stay on high speed. We'll go back down to low. Like I said, this is a childhood unit for me. I used to see these everywhere, and my grandmother had one in her house when I was really young. We're down to about 48 degrees Fahrenheit with the heater blowing into it. Let me turn this off and see what it goes down to. Getting much colder. Got down to 37 degrees. Alright, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. And I did try to straighten out that part of the condenser coil that was messed up. I definitely didn't get it perfect. I had to use a flathead screwdriver rather than the fin comb because it's just too messed up for the fin comb, but there's airflow going through it, so it should be alright.